Hi friends, welcome to Vidyascooking. In today's recipe, I'm going to show you an Instagram inspired dish. These are fried momos or also called as Kurkure Momos. I was truly inspired by Instagram to prepare it. I've not tasted this outside though, but I have seen many videos on Instagram and I recreated this recipe. In my previous videos, you would have seen I created vegetable momos, chicken momos, soya momos. So you can use any filling that you prefer and you can prepare momos. I've shown you detailed videos. Here I had a huge amount of soya momos that I prepared, and there was a lot of filling and dough left over. So that's what I'm reusing and creating this recipe. So these momos are so versatile, you can prepare different dishes using it. Here I'm filling the dough with the filling. I'm using a very simple fold and folding it into half first and folding the half into another half. So joining both the edges, I formed a button shaped momo. It's not very fancy folding that I'm showing you. Even myself, I don't call myself an expert in momos, but yes, I have achieved the consistency of that filling and the dough. So the taste also is very perfect, exactly like street food style. Here you can see I've steam cooked the momos. Once the momos have steam cooked, it should be easy to touch and you should be able to handle it. You should be able to move it, and that's when you can reserve it on a plate and serve it hot. But here what I've done is I've frozen all these momos. I prepared a very large batch and I've frozen all these cooked momos. So once all these momos are frozen, I'm going to start prepping for the recipe. So all the ingredients required for this kurkure momos are laid out. I've got the frozen momos. For the chili batter, I'll be using equal portions of corn flour and all-purpose flour, that is maida. We'll be using chili powder, kitchen king masala and noodles masala. I'll also be using cornflakes and breadcrumbs. All the ingredients and measurements used in this recipe I'll list in the description box below this video. A detailed recipe will be posted on my blog. Blog link will be in the description box below this video, or you can click the icon above this video which will direct you to my blog. Now I'll prepare the chili batter first. In the all-purpose flour and corn flour mixture, I've added salt as per taste, and I've added the three masalas: chili powder, kitchen king masala and noodles masala. I'll add water gradually and prepare a thick batter. This recipe is purely inspired by Instagram. I did see a lot of posts on Instagram and I have prepared this recipe. So now the chili batter is ready. What I'll do is I'll create the crumbs. I've added the cornflakes to a plate. I've added breadcrumbs, little bit of salt. I'm just crushing that cornflakes and combining the breadcrumbs and salt. So this will be the crumb coating. Don't make it into too fine powder also. We need the cornflakes to be in crumbly format. So now the chili batter is ready, the cornflakes is ready. I'm going to dip the momo. There's a reason why I've asked you to use frozen momos, because when you're crumb coating these momos, if it is fresh, it will tend to break. You cannot crumb coat it. So you have to dip the momo in the chili batter and then crumb coat it in the cornflake. So if it is too fresh, you cannot handle, all that filling will start oozing out. It will break easily because the momo is very soft. Now I've heated a wok with oil. I'm gently going to drop all these momos one at a time. I'll fry these momos on low to medium flame. Do like me and follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter, friends. All my social media handle links will be in the description box below this video. The same recipe is also posted in YouTube Tamil. YouTube Tamil channel link will also be in the description box below this video. Apart from this recipe, there are other recipes on my blog. So you can visit my blog and you can bookmark all my recipes. Here you can see the momos I have toasted once it was light golden brown color on one side. So once it fries, it's very easy to handle. It doesn't break in the oil. I fried it for 2 minutes on each side on low to medium flame, drained it and reserved it. So I'm going to fry the second batch of momos without any crumb coating. This is plain momos. This is just simply frozen momos. I've added to the oil and I've fried it. You can prepare it like this also. So this is a very simple version of preparing fried momos. Once these momos are fried, I served it with mayonnaise, green chutney and red chutney. Oh my god, it was superb. Especially for this rainy weather, this was a perfect snack. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe to me for more recipes. All the links to my blog and social media will be in the description box below this video. You can see how the momos are nice and crispy. The filling was intact inside and it did not break while frying. So give this recipe a try and post your comments. If you enjoyed watching this video recipe, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to me for more recipes, friends. I'll be seeing you soon with the next recipe video. This is Vidya Lakshmi. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.